Tired of fumbling around with your television's remote control? There's a better way. Use your phone or your tablet instead. I'm Kim Komando, brought to you by NetSuite, the #1 cloud financial system. Get a one-of-a-kind financing program at netsuite.com/Kim. I'll bet you this, you're more likely to lose your television's remote control than your phone. Plus, the buttons on the remotes can be too small for so many folks, and they're complicated to use, and it's a clutter on a coffee table. That's why it makes sense to use your phone or your tablet to control your television, streaming apps, and streaming boxes. Smart TVs from LG, Sony, Samsung, and others have free apps that work with their TVs. Google's TV Remote Control works with Android-based TVs. Apple's TV app works with Apple TVs. Roku and the rest have apps too. To find the apps you need, just Google search your TV's make and model plus remote control app. Get more tech smarts with my daily 30-minute podcast. It's great for walks and drives. It's called Kim Komando Today.